Good morning, traders. This is the wake-up call. We had a lot of technical trades happen last night. A lot of the trades we set up pushed on through around 2 o'clock or 5 o'clock, depending on which setups you were trying to get, and 5 o'clock Eastern time, that is. What we can see is that right into about 5 or 6 o'clock last night, the Great Britain pound broke below this technical 145 level here. But then we had some serious consolidation. It was consolidating between almost a 60, 50, 70 pip range. Before it looks like it really decided to try to break lower today. What I'd like to see today is see if we can get another pushback up to 145, and it could be an opportunity to go short in that pair. But of course we'd have to watch the price action around those levels to see if we get what kind of momentum. But what we'll be keeping an eye on is this USD JPY back down at this trend line right here. This would be key. I'd love to get a break of that because that would open up the doors for a lot of bigger trades in the other majors. So we're going to be watching basically the 93.20 level, and to the top side actually it's not that bad. 93, let's say 93.80, so 93.20, 93.80, looking for a break of either side of that zone. Euro JPY, like clockwork here. This trade has been working. You can see we just opened up the range, the current range between 125.96, and we can see the low of that range was where we at, 125.32. The pair broke through that range around 2 o'clock last night, so we could have gone short around 125.10. Would have been a little nerve-wracking actually, because it came all the way up to 125.45 before the bottom broke out of the pair, but moved down to 124. I actually had my alarms go off here at 125 with that break, so everything worked out pretty nicely in that pair. Now we're going to watch the rebound, and what we probably watch if we want to get interested in this trade is maybe any move up towards the 50 fib here, which looks like it comes around 124.90 from the current move. The Aussie still sitting around, doing a lot of false breakouts here in the 103.50 level. It looks like the 50 fib is capping everything right now at 103.75, so we'll watch that. I'm not interested in making any trades in this pair at this current moment. It is just consolidating. You can see in a pretty narrow range between 130.21 and 130.60. We need a break. 130.70. We need a break of that range before there's any meat and any moves. New Zealand, that was the star yesterday. After doing nothing all day in New York, the pair decided to move up 100 pips once Asian traders jumped into the fray. So what we're going to watch here is see what this 85 level holds. If it breaks, we can be off to the races for a move higher towards the 85.62 level. Get a hold here, though. We could definitely see a retrace, and very similar. I guess the 50 fib is pretty straightforward. It'd be around 84 in that pair. That's what we look for a pushback towards. Euro USD below 133.50 favors a continued move lower towards our bigger move. This is where the meat of this trade is, down towards 132.50. I think it would be the first level. I don't know why it's not showing up on this chart. Let's get a bigger chart on the screen. Yeah, 132.50 would be the target for any move lower right here. So that's what we'll keep our eyes open for. But we'll watch it. Right now, I wouldn't be interested in going short. I would be keeping a look on the 5-minute, and I'll be interested in any move higher for a rebound. Same with the Euro JPY. I'd only be interested in taking trades to the top side at this current moment. The Great Britain pound sitting right here at 155. That move looks like it could be complete at the current moment, because we have support right here between 155.10 and the 155 level. Break exposes 154. Aussie JPY still sitting in the wedge, not much to do or say there. CAD JPY sitting in the triangle. We need a break of that, and the CAD doing nothing. This pair has fallen asleep, and this pair has the ability to fall asleep for weeks on end. So keep your eyes on that. But then when it does wake with thunder. And 79.40 up at the top of the range. And the New Zealand JPY, we could get a pullback, and if we do, we'd have to see a break of this low around 78.90, and that could get us all the way down to 78. All right, everybody. So we're watching the Great Britain JPY, see if we can get a pullback to the 145, and the yen, we're looking for trend line break around 93.15, 93.10. Euro JPY only looking to scalp to the top side today after that big break. Aussie staying aside, New Zealand staying aside. Euro, same thing. We're looking for a break to the top side for any scalping opportunities, and looking at the 155 level on the Great Britain pound. All right, everybody, good luck trading. Keep your trades keen and play it safe.